Okay, number 2 pizza in San Francisco. It's on Maya Angelou and Tony Stone flour plus water pizza. Hi, I'll take a margarita slice and garlic fries. To go. Margarita pizza, second best pizza in the city. It's crunchy, it's delicious. It's soft, so good. Pro tip, I also got garlic fries. Killer garlic fries. And they're hot. They make them right on the spot as you order them. So good. But, pro tip, they come with ranch. Take the ranch, dip the pizza in the ranch. Oh my god. Heaven. Absolute heaven. Oh, so good.